Convenient hotel at airport. Easy access from the airport, walking distance, recommended place to stay if flight arrived late at night before depart to town by train in the morning after. Good hotel staff, very helpful and hospitable. Convenient to airport. We stayed one night before an early flight. The room is small but clean and well equipped. The only problem is there is not a lot of dining options. You can eat at the hotel or take the shuttle to the airport where the choices are Wendy's or Subway. Other than that, I would recommend it for an overnight stay. Convenient. It's very easy to get to from the airport and the bed was extremely comfortable. There's a small restaurant in the lobby of the hotel where you can get hot meals and it also has some items of convenience. Very well located and clean. A bit overpriced for what it is, but it is well located and clean. Perfect. The bed was extremely comfortable. They provided a baby bed just like I requested. The hotel is one stop from the airport on the airport train. We took Uber to go to a nice restaurant. I would say it's the only point negative. You need to go further as you want a decent place to eat. Overall a great stay. Good location. It is easy to go between the airport and Alt Hotel, and I discovered that you can take the luggage carts from the airport all the way to the hotel, even on the link train. Prices for food are a bit higher than I would like, but it is convenient. I had time in the morning, so was able to go to Terminal 3 and get breakfast and coffee there. Utilitarian and comfortable. Cool layout. They have their own line of soap and shampoo that smells great. The cleaning staff pay attention to detail and the rooms are quiet. I wish they had coin laundry. No coin laundry. Excellent location near airport. Excellent location near airport train and very convenient if you need to catch early flight next morning. Very fashionable and comfortable bed but does not provide toothbrush and slippers.